Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? It's why I've set up the website, and hey, let me know if you want any of the things you're about to see on like a shirt or something. I feel like this would be good shirt merch. Anyway, colinmullen.com. So hey everybody, rather than doing a traditional painting sort of thing, I wanted to get some of this art for this thing that I'm doing on Twitch. It happened on Thursday, I'm recording this on Wednesday, so it went great! I don't actually know. I'm just sort of hoping that it did and that people enjoyed it. But I'm recording this in advance, that way, you know, I don't have to worry about this being done. But hey, so I did some secret streams of me working on the intro cinematic. If you saw it, you know, has narration and stuff. It went well, I think. I hope. Jeez. I can't even pretend. Anyway, I want to talk about today's thing because it's something that I've had to say to a couple of people recently, and it's a mantra that I'm going into tomorrow, Thursday, with, that just, I feel like a lot of people have this idea that, like, is now the right time for me to start doing X? This thing that'll make me happy, you know? And, is now the right time to try and do this project? I'm not good enough to do it. I don't have the ability to do this thing. There's definitely a point where you need to get more knowledge. There's definitely a point where you need to learn more. And you don't need to jump into things, you know, head first. You can always, you know, ease your way in. I feel like that's another weird narrative that's gone about, that you can't be a streamer or a artist and also work at a store. Like, that's no artist in existence right now, outside of people who are just rich to begin with, could just instantly go from someone who wasn't making art to someone who is making art and making a lot of money. That's just not how it works at all. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but I'm just going to tell you right now, like, getting famous off of stuff is not easy. It's a bit luck-based, but every single time you do something that pushes you towards that goal, that pushes you towards what makes that thing happen, you basically enter that lottery and you increase your chances by just having more chances on the board, more things out there. And you may not be able to make the most beautiful art. In 10 years, you'll be making better art. Ideally, that's how it is for all of us. But I have been, for the longest time, living by this mantra of, despite the fact that I am scared as all get out to do things, to express myself, to put myself out there, I don't want to live in a world where on my deathbed I regret not having tried. I would much rather have tried and failed than not. So YOLO. YOLO, but aspirational. I told someone that the other day, and that's basically the idea. You whatever it is that makes you happy. If you need to be an artist, go be an artist. If you need to be a streamer, do streaming. It doesn't mean that you have to quit your day job. And in fact, I don't recommend that at all. You want to have financial stability, then start thinking about that kind of thing. But do the things that make you happy, you know? Be you. Whoever that is, be happy with yourself. You only live for so long, and I can't imagine living in a world where I was just suffering because I wasn't okay with being me. So whoever you are, whatever that means for you, be yourself, be that, do you, whatever that is. If that means doing art, do your art, even if it sucks at first. It will, because in 10 years' time, you will be better. But in 10 years' time, from 10 years' time, you'll be better than that. So you'll always have that dilemma. But today is the day you could start actually pushing towards having something done. So just try. If you fail, at least you tried. Right? I'm telling myself that right now, hoping that I can do this March of the Mice thing without it being awful. But anyway, I hope you guys showed up for it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But let me go and thank the people on Patreon. If you want to see those secret streams, they're on the Discord. If you're at the $5 tier or more on Patreon, or if you're a sub of mine on Twitch, you'll have access to the rev cord. You just hop into the voice channel. You won't be able to talk, but I'll be able to talk, and I can show my screen, and then you can watch that. If you missed them, the VODs for all these are up on Patreon if you're at least $1 sub, or patron, I guess. And anyway, let me thank the people at the $5 tier or more, because you guys are incredible. So starting with Wapfu. Thank you, Wapfu. Thank you, Top Howden. Thank you, Tina Kill. Thank you, Targo. Thank you, Spencer Kane. Thank you, Orthogonal Caster. Thank you, Mortibus. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Maliciousness. Thank you, Lost Nevada. Thank you, Kayla Hollinger. Thank you, Katana Squirrel. Thank you, James at Games. Thank you, Gala. Thank you, Duxu. Thank you, Dragon. Thank you, Demetrius Gazgalas. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bubba Fair. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Ants! Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed something a little bit different. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.